Kublay pibaro piapet yakari kasi channel. Yung ra siya pi katup Khubor jong kani ka Taiew. Ini pai menta siya kimat kibakong san. No akam usaleng kum UMLA haswaban shimti ya kashuki MP. Ay Kublay menteri rang ba bapelat ke sorkar pedeng ya kapisa ka ba 6,000 klur tingka. Weng no akakong bendas ya kajing siya atangan. Adin kajing kendo barba presto. Kidon si pongot ki he opsar betre turmur haka skim sobhagya ongo ba Adelbert. Rakhi ka skulptur yang ya umaw mayar ba akusan snem jongka. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor. Ini aphamita shi ki Khubor panya. Ka shuki MLA jongga Gambigre kan sayo I yagadur thamai na ba u MLA jongga Gambigre constituency usaleng e sangma. Ula no kam haga skining kong jongga Taiew Bansyakri no yakipat ba kum UMP ka Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Seat.
Usaleng la IT ka sti hier suki no nagakam MLA sya ulampang ka ying dorbar tau an ke jela ne ka sngin kong. Ya ka sti la pha sya ulampang Thomas A Sangma ba la IT sya ka Meghalaya Assembly Secretariat ne ka sngi ningkong hakapor khatwei sau phon riu min step. Kene kajing hier suki jong u kala nang penduna pai ya kajing don MLA ka Kongres ha yang dor ba thau an ha jela kamtam hari lom karo ka bam don shu ya kinong mikmat ha po ka yang dor ba thau an.
Hai kumne anh chồng. Hai sini con. Hai to pat ni ya chandur ha. Hai abi kom da. Dan tu klik ni.
I'll definitely have to resign within 14 days. So before swearing in, I think it's better to resign. And then moreover, the stipulated time for the resignations after the being elected as a Lok Sabha, I have to do it before the 14 days. So I'm doing it now itself. You know that office bearers are comprised of the people, the voters, right? The office bearers are just part of the designated, people who represents the party. Now, since the people themselves are already represented during these Lok Sabha elections, I don't think you need to get the designated to get the vote. It's the people wills and the choice.
Do you have somebody in mind for Gambigre?
We will discuss with my people first, and then after that with the party, with all the party leaders from here, like Sir Pala, we've got Madam Deborah, we've got Women's Wing also, so Ma'am Joplin, with all the others, and then with my constituent, of course.
Menteri rang ba ka sarkar jala u Konrad ke sangma hakasni ba ar ula ka jingero ya ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing plat jongkaya ka pisa ka basia jar klur tingka halor ka jing IT pateng ha ka bayade bat ki khajna na ka benta ka jala Meghalaya.
Ula ong ba ula ai kublay ka sarkar pedeng bakala pelait ya kene ke pisa ke bana ke benta ki kampen roy bat ki program ha ka imlang salang.
In fact, thank the government of India, especially our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Finance Minister for releasing the taxes which were released yesterday. And just to clarify to everybody that why this is very significant is the government has released 2 installments of the devolution of the taxes which was meant for the different states. So every month we normally get 1 installment, but the government of India in one way has given a bonus to every state by releasing 2 installments. So this will not be taken away from the future installments, but these are basically a bonus, and a double benefit has been given, and this is a great gesture by the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Finance Minister, and a great way to start the new government. And once again, I would like to thank the government of India for releasing over 1,000 crores in terms of the devolution of taxes, which will definitely help the state in the many developmental as well as the social programs that we have. Thank you very much.
Unang yalang balakam rem jong kaseng NPP, uba sniaw bahalang dekar. Ulaong baka jing bamla bantri kambha jong kaseng, hagani ka election lok sabah kabalada. Kanom kta ya kaseng haki wepat ki election, bandangwan.
Ulaong bak NPP kan salep ha hak election banwan ki badai banlong hak jela.
Ngisngau kum ke sorkar, kum ke parti, ngila persangkat bala iban persang menteri bahan tau pai ba jumi. Hoi kalah bandai kum pai ba ujung hi barok bona so state. Yo udon kino ki pentabu musangwek ne don di lapses kum kumen ki bam don di luna ane garu yo so si kremai kum ba expect ni habare result. Wala kum taro ni kum kino yalam jung ki pai ba. Ni promise ki pai ba ngin persang menteri bah kat bala ini kum tu terhian sikmat namangin don ke disa siliang yanu inuro in trai pen bah susu yo isa don katuk ani ke dunan ke government ke parti handai we would like to apologize kenang bah nani sikmat persang menteri bah kat bala ini kum tu trai handai ngin menteri sa siliang inuro konflik
Ka sarkar jela kalakam bakaladon ka jingkio, haka jingdon jong ka pisa jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL, bakaladon ka jing persyang ban kentiw kambaya ka. Nabaya ka ni ka tenat laju keno barbor, baka di ka tenat ka babuan palat ka jing syaram.
Ulaong bak kam klayat bat kene kan sawanja bat ka jing kentiu ban penbha syuk ru kandang peteng. Ulaong ba ketenat kadang ya tre ya kikam kuno ban kentiu ya kejingdan kepisa jong ke MEECL bat menteri rang ba la kersian kenang bat kan dan keno kejing ong menteri ketenat boarding eti mondal.
Yes, we are working on it. Especially health department has gone out in a big way to provide solar energy for the substations, the community health centers, public health centers in rural areas where electricity connectivity is very difficult. That way is there. We will be going for a very ambitious project that is on the pipeline, is the Chief Minister's solar mission. These are there. In thermal, we don't see that we will do our own, but any private party, if they are interested, we can look forward because energy will be available in our backyard. That will be helpful for us. We are exploring all the angles, not only thermal, even hydel. We are thinking whether the palm storage project is possible or not. If it is there, how we go about those angles we are exploring. It is not that we got sufficient and we are keeping quiet. No, we are exploring and we'll go. One thing is that we don't want to burden MECL also. If you go for new power projects, that requires a huge investment also. So we want to see that no more further burden is given to MECL also.
Ka kong bendas iem hagas ni baar jong ka Taiew, kalapin na bakan wengno ya ka jing sya tengan baklempu jong ka, nabakalayo ya ka jingkular na ka sarkar bakan sa shnano ya ka surok nong po umden sunapur.
Ya kene kerai ke kong bendas kelapan benar hadian bawai ke jingelang bat usembut menteri rang ba ke jela ba Preston Tensong umbak kemi ke tenat PWD Road ke jela.
Bakilayo iya kijing ede kijonga dah kabangawan bensyat dengan hapo jomene ka madan hapo additional sekretariat ngapen pau ka jing sngo men ka bakrau bat ka jing sngo iya ka government ni ha ka bakala pen sngo kala pen sngat iya kijing kerpat kijonga kijing dawa kijonga dah ka bak ngalayo iya ka assurance ka babiang ha hakaba nagalian jung sarkar kila ai kat kum ka jingkwa ka junga kublai shubun bat hakane ka por nga pentip sya baro kinong krisyan ki junga ki badon hapo junga ne ka shulong nang ta ki bana we na we ru hakane ka sni ngan we ngi ya kane ka jing sya ngan ka junga bat ngan let shibet hadu banda kamin ngan dang ap kino ki bakwa ban ya kendu ban nga ngan ap be hakane ka jaga pin sngo baban wan hang ne ngakwa ban ai ka jing kublai ki yapi kublai shubun kublai yapi bara
UMLA jong ka North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum hakas ngi balang jong ka Taiew ula keno ba ki he sarkar ki dig baladon kti hakaban le thurmur ya ka scheme sarkar pedeng kabala baiting kaling baka sobhagya scheme hajala Meghalaya
Habakran sikla pathai Khubor ba nongrum la pentip ba kispomut ki he sarkar ki baladang ti hakane ka kam kikin thup yau chief secretary u additional chief secretary u bakmi ya ka tanat ki kam boarding ya u CMD jong ka MEECL director jong ka MEECL distribution chief engineer rural electrification chief account officer na deputy chief account officer additional chief engineer material management but additional chief engineer planning and design
office mana kedua chairman ti ndai namsam lai kenduk ngla yo ya kaban Hanover part ya ka complain bangawan ban lodge ya ka complain hakti jong secretary jong ka lokai uta di barat thap halor ka section section 13 1A of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. Kani kadai halor jong ka findings jong ka CEG kabdai ka report number 2 2023 and that March 2023. But ya kani ka report la sen la pha cho government hakan beriu tarik banai bakhandai ajar pulai. But haka arpo artrik benai bakhandai arjar arpulai la place ru yakani poka table of the house tibat nga kani kelas budget ngala persang belum rai kani nam taban divide namar kani ka kata ya ka pisah jong pai ba ha ka bedai bat ka bagi nyatip lang barok ta ka subhagya scheme dengan ngomong subhagya scheme ngomong subhagya scam beli ngomong ta kani unnecessary kelar Shillong no avoidable expenditure ka bamdei banlut ha kata ka 156 crore ti kani ngla persam non ra po ka house kom legislator represent ka voice of the people narangi me keren po ka house hai ngi keren ti hendrai ngalawan ra ru lembaga privilege ka bangayo kom legislator lembaga rules 130A bangila ban wanra yang nunu ka report Henry ka pasu phala par kalong honorable speaker jong ka assembly jong ka state syam la sha lembaga rules and procedure of the assembly 241 katanya ka bam don kabam karen shai ban ong babar yo nunu legislator ban divide de wanra nuk report ban ya karen de ban divide ka pasu phala kalong ba lada mangi kum pilih satu ngimla banyak keren hapo hai ngini keren pa ti nrei hakani ka ju ka subject kala let muta spo ka high court bodom brom manum ko keren ni ispangani nenga ko keren specifically hani ka por ka mawan ra ya bangwan ban lodge ka complain lembau chairman jo ka lupai ta makani ka judiciary ni haban perpau ka jing brom lembau ana hazari ulayaki bandawa ya ka lokpal hagi ti por namar kani kalau lokayuk ta kadeka yeng shari jong pai bang but dak borom po Meghalaya ba Michael CM ila shim ya initiative ban pressure ya government at that point of time itu gisnam gebalit no but lala ya kaban pelongan te ba sosi pat ba kani ka lokayuk ta matang iko ban tip ken lakan trikam le am katkum ka spirit tingam tip lakani ka office kandai sya kata ka purely independent body namar ngitip pada constitutional body ketika statutory body gaban nomla ban tuklar pat da kumoi tengit scam ba ngawan ru ni ka por kalong bangan dawai ka hok khamtam pai ba namar bangangit bagai MDA government ka dap keren syai bahkan wanra ka transparency and accountability tengin pet ke Bahkan ni kalau kita hadukan tu kalau ban ayah kita kejing syakari ke bohok. Hakaban pengat itu ki brio ki badon hak kita ki kam ke bamaki ki lale. Namar boleh kan ni kadai ke bang puan pau. Kan ni ka komplain kadai halor ki sipo bantah jongka office lemba secretary, lemba chief secretary to the government of Meghalaya, atau additional chief secretary power to the government of Meghalaya, chairman managing director Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, atau director distribution Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited, atau chief engineer distribution MEPDCL, chief engineer rural electrification MEPDCL, company secretary MEPDCL, atau chief accounts officer, deputy chief account officer MEPDCL, additional chief engineer material management MEPDCL, additional chief engineer planning and design. Kini di Sipo
Ka kenhuan kinong tre ka All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association haga jinga kren bat kilat patay Khubor hasilong press club kiladawa na ka sarkar jila bakan penkiyo ya ketulob jongki. Barhaga ni ka jinga kren kiladawa ru na ka sarkar baka di ban aino ya ka area jongki kabanadu ka shitarik ubanaya yong arhajar arpulay.
Yo roughly malay putam. Ki district level ki roughly malay pusam na pusam tamu state level. Ki district level ki roughly ki dong ki aku saw aku review clear. Ki block level ki aku clear. Kita masih ada di dalam mereka kita dah play juga bio tam prahaja tam hendai hajar di dalam luar ni kerana hajar perkunta kita di kita di cluster level so kini kita lah perjuangan dalam kiwe ong kadang kita shiti bakla ada juga planning department mo kapan kawa kita seberapa department kibapan kita ki contractual staff salary mo kata makhlana kashi kata nama beri hoa di dalam planning department min very ku benai ni aja khanda kata city ka poi shibro department and the subject of the city matters relating to contractual employees dia kan city bat ki pan nam ni ki sha city but you are requested to kindly furnish the existing rate of salaries and wages which are being provided to different categories of contractual employees engaged in such organization under your administrative control by the 17th of May 2019 so as to enable planning department to take further necessary action in this regard. So you can shitting in our sharing in our captors me when you can do is Vijay Kumar in a handover in the which hero. But I show off Nani Nanto, Tamba, Andre, Kapoy Hakiti, Johnny, members, the Lakadami, one rap and Tashafimon, and look at Hakandahi in the shitty Lapan, Jinshan Ladivan, I can the existing rate more than look at the Akajan Kakanda. And they get a speculation, they apply to another day that 10% Jongman Muslim. Dengan kita sarkar nak ada minta banyak itu perasaan yang melalui perahu pesan simple math. Ini demand kita sarkar alis bahkan berkat kali ini hai teh handor intek perahu pesan bagi nak adu kat kisnem. But the service juni ru nak plan juni dan bila kat kendai snem, dan nak plan juni bakat perasaan, dan nak plan juni bakat news snem, dan nak plan juni bership host snem, coverage snem bahkan tak terter. Deki ai ru kata kita kibi department ru ki National Health Mission company ki MRSRS ne kita kibi department ki yo moi kita kaya tulong jengki ke ba kita ada work out dak ni kita yo dak memorandum nampo ka finance department kita perlu work out kita ke structure salary structure ki jengki kat ko jingyo semua jumi tamai kita dokumen nak menrah ni te ngan kita ki mentah kita ayat ni syakmat kita ni yo anyo ho hajar kita ni yo anro ho hajar kita ni yo sanro hajar kunta terter telo ka sarkar ka ai bin shed state khamia ha district khamia ha block khamia kita ni work out accordingly ke ngara ka prakhat shisha bang train ni ha ban train ni ta ki kun hiti jongi te bangin ai jing shakri kham shai kham hok shushu ya ka eduk dia ka department ni mus kidi ban prakhat lam ni ji ye jongi te mentala dan ni khot ida ka press conference kem ka jing ai deadline tu kalau kamkai.
Menjungi hapo khat san sni kalau ada kam jumpa hapo khat san sni kebungut ba nakalian jungi kuma session sa syong ika executive committee ba in sarai ya ka ega bangi di banle ban ni kerparu namar kata kadau ya ki para staff ki jungi baru ki putra ni ki blok legal ba ki long ki bal kre ba namar ngintip ya ka ega banja handai bikin long ki bal kre ba hakno no por ko ba session khot ya ka jing trilang kin long ki be kloi ba kin long ki be mi ti tanggani nakalian kasunga ngadon ni kan si kapat bani kimi le tiru bak sarkar lengba ni khatan teli isni mengai kan ayo jubab ka basya ini lalu akan penterkam ni announcement nang tak salah beijing
Kahima Sutengah Youth Federation kaladawa na ka sarkar jala bahkan bethaya ka company Cosmos Cement Limited bahkan pensangya no mardor ban penjalar ki klau ki betam ki bahab apo ke ilaka Sutengah East Jantia Hills.
Company Cosmos Cement Limited la keno bakala pom ye kiding ti khindeu mau batch bat ka jingklong mau shun na ka klau hapo ka elaka Sutengah. Presiden ke HSYF ba nang bahanong tudu la kam ba ka jinghe jong ka klau kam duna ye ka ar ne lai kilometer ka bala tip kum ka pthar ka bahap hapo ka snong the kpo thangsko bat sning ba nang bahau la keno ba ye ka Company Cosmos Cement Limited la ai jingtbit da acting the loy ban pentri hakane ka klau
Presiden jangka Himas Tengah Youth Federation HSYF ngadon ngakwa ban penpau la ke jong ke jinsno te ban ngadak da ke jinsno si ka bakrau sbon namar ke jinchak penjot jong ki klau kitbab jong ke ilka Tengah te da ka pom pathare di bing district bat ka baklong chiap klong kundeu da ka wenga ki company balatip karteng kum ka Cosmos Cement Limited te ha ka jingi dei bat kane nagaliang jong ka ilaka Sutengah kala chimkia ya kane kam kala perlong ya ka dorbar ha ka chipeu tarik benai Februari 2020 bat da ka ka jimut ka dorbar kala rai ban pen sangai no ya kane jing pentrai dia hapo upur sam jong ka ilka Sutengah henry to bos sui kalong ba kini kinong puniat jong kane ka company ki kram snape bat ka jing pentrai kadang yai bejek antik na kawai ke sini kawai ke sini bat ha ka jingi dei bat kane kam ngaku presiden jong ka HSYF ubodon ka jingi kri na ka benta ka yap ka im jong ka ilaka ngam ban sei ban mi chikmat ban ra ila ka jong ka sti na ka benta ban yaga ya ka ilaka na ka jima ka khrap bat nganbu ka jimaham ka batenge ya kina punya jong ka company Cosmos bakin sangai na mardor ya ka pentri jong ki hapo ka ilaka Sutengah bat kane ka jule bor ka jing penjot ya ki klau itbab jong ka ilaka kamput tangkap ne ka don chiki benta jong ka umthe kebo tongsku sangat bat tangkerta bat ia kane lale daki beriu ki bangimla bat itu kajumpong pathari di ding keset ke bamla suk bania matai nama kata ngakarpat ya ki bor badai khmi bikin shawha bani peglam ya na ka benta ka bha kamiat jong ka imlan salam nama kene ha ka jisneu jonga kala ban kata ya da chongsuk chongsan nama kata ngaku weng kinong yalam ngaku an chim ya ka an halak jong ikti bat ngakhot ngawer ya ukun jong ka ilaka kanthe bat chinra makin shobha bani snok tilang na ka benta ka kamha pamyan jong ka ilaka tangkun
Ka Skill Online Games Institute SOGI ketika Islam kepala sedang ban ai ki jingnang jingtip hakabaya day bat ki karkhana online games Kipakentup ya ki jing ai jing ken, ki kam wat benia ki kam bishar an ki jing ai jing mun, ki kendon bat ki khajna, nalor ki wepan.
Abakan sekilar patai Khubor undang seng bat Presiden jangka Skill Online Games Institute Amrit Kiran Singh ula ong ba menteri rang ba du keri umodi ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam jangki khana online gaming bat ka badon kam ban ai ki jing kersian halo ki jing kiu ki jongki.
The Skill Online Games Institute. But before that, I'd like to tell you about the industry because you can understand why the Skill Online Games Institute in reference to the industry. So the online games industry is probably the largest industry in the world today. Definitely so in the entertainment space. But even across industries, it's one of the fastest growing and largest industries in the world today, with a huge potential to create jobs and allow companies to grow to enormous sizes. Just to give you an idea, the movie industry in the world, if you add Hollywood, Bollywood, whatever happens in England, France, Spain, Portugal, Tollywood in India, Telugu, cinema, all together is 42 billion US dollars worth, right? The music industry worldwide is 19 billion. So if you add the two together, it's roughly 62 billion. Do you know what the size of the online game industry is in the world already? The size of the online games industry is 159 billion, almost 3x, 3 times the size of the movie and the music industry put together. And it is growing at a much faster rate than the music and movie industry. And therefore, in 2 years, it is likely to be 5 times the size of the worldwide movie industry and music industry put together. That's how big this industry is, right? That's how big this industry is. Now, the problem with this industry is that it's a new industry, and therefore there is not enough information about the facts and figures of this industry. So by the time you go from here, I want to give you a master class on what this industry is all about. I want you all to be experts about this industry, right? So, as you know, India, the government of India, the Prime Minister, has set a target of 1 trillion digital economy. The digital economy in India should be 1 trillion by 2026, right? And that's a tough target. That's a stiff target. And the government will need several growth engines to reach that target, if it is to reach that target. Now, one of the growth engines in the digital space is the online gaming industry. And therefore, we believe that in the Skill Online Games Institute, that if the government gives a little bit of encouragement, this industry can grow even faster and help India attain its target of 1 trillion digital economy, right? So just to give you a context, today the industry in India is only 1% of the market share of the world market. China has 25% and America has 23% of the world market. But this is an industry in which India has natural ability, right? Because we are the champions in the world on IT, and therefore we have a lot of IT skills and talent. And therefore, if the government does nothing, we can gain 5% or 10% market share in the next 2 to 5 years.
Kaaslam ajeng hikay jong Kapuryang Secondary School, hakas ni palay jong ka Taiew kalapali ya kajing dap arpusan sinem jong ka, lani ka Silver Jubilee Celebration. Hakabaya day ba kajing ya lenti jong ka, hakajing ajing nang jing start iki kana, kibawan na kilong yung long sembado, jong kasnong puryang.
Ya kene kejingelang pli pat ba ban reke ya umau mer ba aposan snem jong kepuriang secondary school lawan ban pli pat ba da ba penyai sings im ubadeu MDC kathain bolong ru chief executive member ka KHDC ha kejing don lang kinong yalam snong kinong yalam balang kinong hikai bat kikmi kikpa jong kikna school.
Pengenai kajing kapki kebajang nabenta kajing peli perda jongi kajing dap arkusan snem ke school ke jongi. Pengenai kajing kapki kebajang
Subhan i headmistress i Miss Mercy Melimnap ba kandon kum ngani ka program ba kinyo ban rakhi lekmen ya ka jingdap artusan li ka snam jong ni ka school na kalyang jonga na dap da jingmen ba khrau ban priang subha ya ka ni ka jing khot na kalyang school ban ngala pentip i headmistress ba ngala ban wan Hoi di Singapore kaba mention Taiew la penbet ngam la pendan reply penbet no tentang ski. De ai kublai terpang ya kaniga school na mari paro hi kebadan menta ki bam juklet ban khot yang aban dan lang hakano no ko program la kalong ko program ke berlit ne ke bahe. De kap nutam sukemen bangan yo ini kalat ban dan lang hakani gejing play kaniga jing rakhi dap arpusan snem debat kini school lagani pai kerta kamleshu kerta kabadang khulung khna labe kerta kaba samla rangba bha arpusan snem bangi shisha bakajing dan joni ke school kalau long ke jingkurku yaki khun kikti kenthe bat shinran jong ke shnong kibayo yaki jinghikai ke jingpule na kini school
Haswa bangin penkut no ngin pen ibiang shapi yakimat kibakongsan. No akam usaleng kum UMLA haswa ban shimti ya kashuki MP. Ai kublai menteri rang ba pelat ke sorkar pedeng ya kapisa ka ba 1000 kelur tingka. Weng no akakong bendas ya kajing sya tengan ading kajing kendo barba presto. Idon shipongot ki he opsar betrei turmur hak skim subhagya onguba Adelbert. Rakhi ke school puryang ya umau mer ba apusan snem jongka. Bat kiwe de Khubor. Badak itu ngilapoy siya kabakod jong gani katup Khubor. In saya siyam biang bat pi hakawe pat katayo. Kublay shibun tias.